Hello, so we're back, and this time we have a nice laptop to repair. Acer Nitro 5, i7 and RTX graphics. Now let's check the customer email. This is a special job. But if you are in this video for hate, you're not gonna find something like that here. Now the customer is saying, laptop stopped working, send it to a YouTuber. It's quite a well-known YouTuber, but probably I'll blur the name, who couldn't repair it. So he decided to send it to me to try, have a look and fix it. I did ask the customer if he has any idea what is the problem, but he couldn't tell me. So I will say, because it's a gaming laptop, let's not plug the power. I will say let's open the laptop and check. Now regarding the YouTuber name, or everyone is different. So hate is pointless. It's pointless on any way, especially here on this channel. Everyone is different. Yeah, everyone has different knowledge. Maybe he knows something about something else, maybe I don't know. It's just because he couldn't fix it and I can fix it, he's telling me exactly nothing. It means exactly nothing. I have absolutely no feelings about this subject, about someone being able to fix something and the other person being not able to fix that thing. So yeah. And the laptop, it's open. Yeah, that's a nice motherboard. Now I'm just curious, but that's my thinking. I mean, if the board is shorted, I will usually take the short out, even if I'm not charging the money for that repair. I'm curious if this board is shorted. We have here the first MOSFET, the second MOSFET, so we can check the board if it's shorted. But this is just, my practice, and the board is not shorted. Huh? What do you think about that? That's interesting. You know what I will do? If the board was shorted and the YouTuber got the short out, even if he couldn't fix it, I will let you know the name of the YouTuber. Because this is, it's just a good practice. Okay, I can't fix it. I can't charge money, but if I can do something good, because the laptop is already open on my desk, then yeah, I will remove the short. One Wi-Fi antenna is broken. Let's take out the heatsink. And the heatsink is out. The problem is I can't see anything short. I can't see anything missing here. I mean, the MOSFETs are present. So everything is present on this laptop. Let's plug a charger and see what it's doing. Yeah, I'm interested to see if the laptop is charging. That it will tell us something about the EC chip state. 19, good. Coming on the input here, and it's taking no power. Okay, that's bad. Wait. No, nothing. Okay, let me plug a charger. We need a Acer. The blue Acer, yeah? Yeah, that's the one. Plug in the charger and I heard a click on the power supply. You can believe that? And yeah, that's bad. Yeah. So when I'm plugging the charger, I can see like a short flash on the current. Yeah, it's there. Let me see how much current I have. 3.5 amps should be enough. So the laptop is not charging and we have a flash. Let's check the coils. The chipset coil? Let's see. Chipset is good. Check there, like 50 and something ohms. This one is good. This one is good. This one is good. 47 ohms. can be the RAM memory. That's the charging coil. 50 ohms, 19. You know what? Everything is looking good here. VRAM 72 ohms. Huh? I'm assuming it's a dead EC chip. But I'm only assuming. Plug in the charger again. Let's check the main power rail is present. So the main power rail, 19.7, check on the screen, but we have no current. That means the EC chip probably has no voltage. Nothing. Nothing. We have no voltage on the EC chip. Okay, let's get closer to the EC chip and check a few things. Okay, for some reason, my OBS recording program decided to crash. I didn't fix anything. I just diagnosed. Let me tell you the results. Basically, the EC chip is dead. Like that's what I expected from the beginning when I seen it's not charging. The 3.3 LDO is shorted. I look for a schematic because I didn't know which is the LDO power supply, so I found a schematic on our Discord, and we have a Synergy chip which is providing the LDO voltage. Now the LDO is exactly here on this capacitor here, and the EC chip is taking 800 milliamps. Hopefully you can see it. Check there. Yeah, you can see clearly the EC chip is shorted. Now, what is interesting, and I don't understand that, basically, if I come in 19, the LDO is taking, that LDO, which is a linear power supply, is taking no power. Check there. So I'm coming with 19 volts, and it's taking nothing. Usually, I should see a short on the LDO. I should see it on the input. Let me plug a charger just to understand what I mean. And this is new for me. So plug in the charger it is plugged in. It is possible the LDO power supply to be shorted. Yeah, it is possible. So here on the input of this chip, we have 19, check on the screen. But of course on the resistor, this resistor, we have 0 volts. The one which is providing LDO and is shorted. And it's taking no current. So very possible also that chip is dead. I mean, that can explain how the EC chip died. Good. Anyway, the EC chip, let me draw the EC chip. It's a KB9022q, if I remember. Let's check together. Let me see. Yeah, KB9022q. And I found that chip. I found it here on another board. Brand new chip, yeah. Don't say anything about that. We're gonna charge the customer for a brand new EC chip. KB022q. So what do you think? Swapping the chip? No, we can't do it. No, this chip is programmable, so we have to program the chip. So it's far away to be a easy pizza. Far. Good. Let's remove the chip. I mean, hopefully this EC chip is good. I can only hope, because I don't have another one. This is the only one I have. Okay, let me higher the temperature to like 470. What did you say? Is liquid damage here? No, I can't see anything. No. Okay, so the chip is out. No liquid damage. This is brand new. Check here, brand new chip. Yeah, nothing. Yeah, no marks, nothing. It's like brand new. Good. Yeah, I don't know what board it is, but yeah. Okay, so we have the chip here. Let me clean the chip a little bit. Has a little bit of dust from the manufacturing process. Yeah, brand new. Perfect. Yeah, we do have to program the chip. There's no other way around. This chip is programmable. Good. Let me bring the programmer. Okay, 1 second. Not sure if this is my fault. Yeah, must be my fault, right? We have few pins which are bent. I mean, they're looking fine, you know, like the position of the pins are okay. But yeah, it's not touching. Okay, they are fine. Okay, let me bring the programmer. Good, so we have the socket with the pin number 1 here, like that. Good. Now let me connect the programmer to the computer. PC screen, and we have the S board. Good, perfect. E&E. We need a motherboard. 1 second. Select motherboard, and we have E&E. Pin OK. Oh, our chip is fine. Check that. Check that. Huh? EC chip ID. Perfect. Wait, we don't have the EC chip firmware. Lol, let me find the firmware. 1 second. This is 128 kilo, right? Yeah, must be. Yeah, 128. But why is saying type 9020 when actually this one is 9022? Are the same? Yeah, interesting. Okay, we have someone request EC dump. Let's see. BIOS and EC chip extracted from the Acer site update. Perfect. Okay, let's see if it's working. But no one is saying if it's working or not. This is the motherboard we are working on, yeah? But no one is saying actually if this is working. This is BIOS backup. We have a EC here. Need EC. Okay. Let's get this one. Desktop. EC extract 2. It's 128. Yeah, it is. Okay. EC open and write. It's working. I told you it's like a brand new chip. Told you. Check that. Working perfectly. Writing. Verifying. And everything looks fine. You're all good. We are done. Ha ha. Okay. Nah, it's not easy pizza. No. It's not. It's not, because we have to solder the chip, and yeah, it's longer. Perfect. Okay, let me leave this on one side. And let's replace that EC chip quickly. I mean, I can't see it how we can replace this quickly. We have so many plastic things around the EC chip. And that sucks, yeah. I mean, I don't want to melt anything here. Because if I will melt something, the people will call me noob, right? People. Okay, we are fine. And this one. Good. I'm gonna take the chip out with 480 degrees max temperature. A little bit of rosin flux, liquid rosin, sorry, liquid rosin. Perfect. Chip position. Good. 480. And the chip is getting soldered, you can see. The chip is on the right position, no problems. Everything is going according with the initial plan. Perfect. Now is the moment. Let me plug a charger. Let's see the LDO power supply. So plug in the charger. 10 milliamps, that's crazy. It's taking 10 milliamps. Where is the power button? It's not here. Or it's on the keyboard? Yeah, it must be. It takes 10 milliamps. Let's check the LDO voltage. So LDO voltage is, check on the screen, 3.3. So actually the LDO power supply is good. 10 milliamps. Fantastic. If it's charging, okay, that will be a very good test. Yeah, if it's charging, everything is fine. Let's see if it's charging. Plug in the battery, plug in the charger. And it's not charging. Okay, that's bad. Yeah, that's proper bad. And also, we don't have 10 milliamps anymore. Okay, let's find the power button. Okay, the keyboard is plugged in. Plug in the charger. Pressing the power button. And nothing happened. That's crazy. Nah. Nothing. That sucks. Okay, let's see if we miss something from here. Like a pin which is not soldered properly. No, all are fine. All are okay. Good. All pins are soldered properly. You think this pin is shorting the other pin? Let's see. This pin? No. No, they are fine. No, all good. Yeah, no problems. You think the firmware is not good? Why is not working? Then plug the battery again. Plug in the charger and nothing. So the battery has 15 volts. I'm disappointed. I programmed the chip, the AC chip. Wait, it's not charging. The battery is proper dead. Yeah, the battery is dead. You know what? Because someone worked before. You know, can be like bias issue. Someone write the bias, write a different type of bias. Can be. You know what I mean? So I can waste time, and actually the AC chip is fine, but it's, you know, just a bad bias. Probably this battery is faulty. That's the reason why it's not charging. 19 volts. Why is clicking? The power supply is clicking. Oh, we don't have enough current, right? Yeah. Yeah, like 4 point something. It's taking like 10 milliamps. Pressing the power, I mean, nothing happened, like it's no reading the power button. How this is possible? Do you think actually the power button is faulty, the keyboard is faulty? 3.2, pressing the power button, nothing happened. Nothing happened. 0.4, pressing the power button, nothing happened. Okay. Well, the keyboard is not even working. Nothing. The only pin with 3.2, we have this one, 3.3. And on the last one, we have something. That's crazy. It's actually the keyboard is also faulty. I mean, yeah, we don't need the laptop at this moment. Let me get rid of the laptop. And again, try to power on the board. Plug in the charger. And what do we have? We have a 3.2 there. Yeah. Here we have another 3.1. Yeah, you know what? Doesn't matter. Let's short every pin. Check there. The board is on. 1.7 amps. What's 1.7 amps? You seen that? Is restarting. No. The CPU is mad hot. That's crazy. So actually it's working. I can't believe. I mean, how many faulty things are on this laptop? Wait, but the keyboard has to be like that? 1 second. So plugging the keyboard. Plug in the power, pressing the power button, and no, it's not working. No, the keyboard is dead, and there's nothing what I can do about that. Okay, let's put the board back. Okay, put few things, let's test it, let's see. So plugging the charger is taking nothing, yeah? So what do we have? We have to short the first pin to ground, right? Let's see, first pin to ground. Ground with the first pin, and nothing. Wait, what? The first pin is 3.2. Okay, so why is not coming on? Let me unplug the battery also. Let's see, so it's taking 10 milliamps. It's coming on, lol, from the battery. The battery is proper faulty. and restart, because obviously we reset the BIOS. And it's taking 2 amps. We don't have screen, lol. We don't have screen. We unplug the screen. The screen is plugged in. Let's see one more time. So pressing the power button, actually shorting the power button, and the board is coming on. Restarting, because the BIOS battery is not plugged in. And the current is changing, and that's good. That's good. Yeah, restarting, and that's good. Coming on. And nothing happened. 2.2, and that's all. 2.3? 2.8 amps. I seen 2.8. 3.8 amps. Check that. 3.8 amps. No, this should work 100%. But why we have no picture? Still the current is changing like hell. We have no picture. Okay, well, we have no picture. The CPU and GPU is hot. Chipset is hot. Everything seems to be fine. RAM memory? Can be. Let me power off. That's the customer RAM, and this is my one. Good. Let's try one more time. And it is coming on. We have to wait because I reset the BIOS again. I don't understand why we don't have picture. Okay, let's plug the HDMI. It's crazy. Everything seems to be fine. And nothing on HDMI. We should power off and power on. Right? Yeah. 3.9 amps. And still no picture. So the laptop is doing nothing, yeah? So I connect everything, I left it on, nothing happened. I mean, everything seems to be fine, but we have no picture, and we don't know why. Now, what I'm gonna do, this is the last things what I will do. I'll do a BIOS. I'm pretty sure it will be like pointless, but as I can see, the current is changing. This looks like like a alive board. Doesn't look like brain dead. But it is possible if someone disconnect the connector with the power in or the screen, it is possible the Intel graphics to be dead. I'm working for about 2 hours, and it's kind of pointless. No, the AC chip have nothing to do with the picture, yeah? So the AC chip is doing the job, so I'm pretty sure the AC chip is fine. Let me try a BIOS. Let me check if the BIOS has been written before. I mean, no, the BIOS chip looks like, no one touched it. Yeah. Let's try a BIOS. Let me grab a programmer. We have the programmer. It's easy to find BIOS for this this model. You see online, it's easy. Pin number 1, what is it? Pin number, I can't see anything, I can't believe. Pin number 1 is here, good. Pin number 1. Pin number 1 is there. Okay, let's see. PC screen, Rebel Prog. Let's identify the chip. And nothing. You think it's 3.3? 3.3. Yeah, 3.3 volts chip. Good, so we can access the BIOS. Let me find a BIOS here. Good, so the BIOS is here. BIOS, download, desktop. Good. $16 megabytes. Okay, let's read this BIOS and let's save it. Good, perfect. So let's save the original BIOS. Original. Good. Save. Now let's open this one and let's write it. Let's wait a little bit. Now it's verifying. And yeah, we're done. Let's see. Let's see if it's working. BIOS battery is dead. Yeah, no point resetting the BIOS, has 0 volts the BIOS battery. So plug in the power, pressing the power button. Pressing the power button. And the laptop it is coming on, which is good. Yeah, it will restart a few times because we reset the BIOS. We don't have BIOS battery actually. No, I don't expect picture. No, for some reason I don't expect it. Are so many bad things on this laptop. I mean, the battery is faulty, the keyboard is faulty. We have some broken connector. We found a burned EC chip. I mean, you know, just looking bad. That's all. I mean, we write a good BIOS. Obviously, the laptop is working. I mean, it's coming on and it's running. But still, we have no picture. And I think I'm gonna stop here. It's not much what I can do. Keyboard caps lock. Let's see if it's working. I do have a keyboard. The keyboard caps lock is working. That's crazy. Yeah, it's not working. Check here. So it's not working. You can see it's not working. Plug in here. Check there. You can see the caps lock is working. That's crazy. That means the system is not frozen. Let me plug the HDMI one more time. One more time. We tried HDMI before and didn't work. No, it's not working on HDMI. No. Okay. We lost over 2 hours with this repair. We can't win every time, right? Yeah. Anyway, you know what? I have no feelings, the fact actually I didn't fix anything and I'm uploading a video. I will upload a video, maybe the video it will help you to diagnose this kind of fault. I mean, this is an unfortunate repair, but the steps we took are the right steps. I mean, we start from taking no current, nothing happened, yeah. Then the battery was not charging. Then I realized, wait, the LDO voltage is missing. It's missing because the ECG is shorted. But one more time, interesting, the LDO, which is supposed to be a linear power supply, was taking no current from the 19 volts, but it's still good. Then we found another EC chip, we programmed the chip, we soldered the chip, and pressing the power button, nothing happened. Why? Because the keyboard is faulty. So we check the voltage on the keyboard connector, we short that pin to ground, and the laptop start. Then we done the BIOS. Now I do have a lot of questions about where you can find the files. I mean, I'm checking on Google. You can see there are a lot of files on our forum and also on the Bad Caps forum. Yeah, a lot of people sharing like different firmware. Schematics, same. Yeah, our Discord forum or Google, most likely Bad Caps forum. You can find a lot of schematics. Yeah, sadly, what can I do? What you will do on a case like this? Huh? Can you do something more than I did? It sucks. Yeah, no pizza, nothing. Yeah. Now I have to take my EC chip out, solder back the customer EC chip. It's one of those days, Okay, I'm gonna stop here. I'll say thank you for watching. Don't forget at least, like, subscribe if you like the video, of course. And see you on the next one. Bye. Hey, if you find my content being helpful, don't forget you can support this channel by pressing the join button, and you can get instantly access to our members only cool collection and Discord private channels for support with your repairs. Also, you can have a look on our United Kingdom eBay, where you can find some cool and unique products, United States eBay store, or our Patreon page. Thank you.